As the plugin ecosystem around OpenAI continues to flourish, the capabilities of ChatGPT and GPT-4 are being drastically extended. So which apps are currently the cream of the crop, and what can they do? We've dug through over 100 to round up the top 13 OpenAI-compatible apps that you should be using. Plus, if you watch until the end, we'll show you which 3 apps can be most powerfully combined. Number 13. World News. Even with the advanced GPT-4 language model, its knowledge is capped at 2021, highlighting a need for more current information. Addressing this issue, the World News plugin has rapidly gained popularity in the OpenAI ecosystem due to its live content updates. This extension caters to an international audience, presenting pertinent news from around the globe in multiple languages, each accompanied by a source link. Number 12. Zapier. This single AI plugin lets you interact with and automate over 5,000 applications like Google Sheets, Docs, Twitter, LinkedIn, and more. The Zapier extension brings all these applications under one roof to dramatically simplify workflow and boosts efficiency by eliminating the need to switch between different platforms. It enables you to perform tasks like adding new data rows in Google Sheets or transforming Trello card assignments into tasks on Todoist directly within the chat. Number 11. Show Me. This is a tool that lets you craft on-the-spot diagrams of virtually any concept by simply providing the basic idea you want to be visualized. In a trial run, we asked the extension to visualize the concept of Ikigai using a mind map. Both GPT-4 and Visualize collaborated to provide an easy-to-understand visual and text-based depiction. So the next time you're in a hurry to generate a diagram, turn to this AI plugin. Number 10. Klarna Shopping. This shopping extension helps you search and compare prices for any item across the web and find the cheapest deals available, plus lets you choose your payment terms and budget to fit your purchase. Number 9. Instacart. Chatbots can offer recipes, but they can't do your grocery shopping. This is where Instacart comes into play as one of our top AI extensions. Completely dedicated to food and beverages, this extension can smartly recommend recipes, both food and drinks, along with detailed preparation instructions. However, what truly distinguishes Instacart is its ability to direct users to its primary service platform, where they can instantly purchase the required ingredients. So, should you unexpectedly run out of Parmesan for your spaghetti, Instacart is your go-to solution. Its impressive speed and accuracy in suggesting new recipes and their ingredients are sure to please any foodie who needs it. Number 8. The Browsing Plugin. This is a web assistant developed by OpenAI that can conduct internet searches. The plugin significantly expands its capability to deliver accurate answers to queries previously beyond its reach. The web is replete with instances of usage, from gathering Oscars-related news and data to delving into the latest AI research. To ensure the authenticity and accuracy of its returned results, ChatGPT utilizes Microsoft's Bing Search API and robust security protocols, and OpenAI prioritizes security and respects website owners by avoiding page crawling. Furthermore, ChatGPT consistently discloses the websites it used to get information in response to your queries, and even shares links to the identified pages, providing an additional layer of certainty about the information's correctness. Number 7. Speak. For those interested in linguistics, Speak can prove to be one of the best AI plugins if used correctly. As the name suggests, Speak is a plugin that enables you to learn how to articulate anything in other languages. Essentially, Speak acts like a language tutor. Apart from translation, users can employ Speak for verb conjugations, nuanced grammar rules, and much more. Start by entering your language query and the Speak plugin will respond back nearly instantaneously. Number 6. Link Reader. While some of the finest ChatGPT Chrome extensions can read web pages, not everyone prefers extensions and desires a simpler approach instead. For these individuals, Link Reader can be one of the best AI plugins. Essentially, this plugin can digest the content of all types of links, encompassing web pages, PDFs, images, and more. All that is needed is to feed it a link and request information. ChatGPT then collaborates with Link Reader and delivers a comprehensive answer to the query. If you're searching for a quick summary, this plugin is the go-to. Number 5. Kayak or Expedia. Among the best travel planning AI plugins, Kayak and Expedia enable users to easily book flights and hotels and receive travel suggestions for all their trip planning needs. Like before, all it requires is your basic information such as origin, destination, arrival, and departure time. Once provided, Kayak and Expedia will guide you through numerous flight options from your location. The details provided include total cost, expected layovers and delays, popular airlines, and more. When you're satisfied with your selection, these AI extensions will even take care of getting the links for you too. Number 4. WebPilot, a complementary open-source tool known as the co-pilot for the web. This unique AI extension allows you to freely converse with web pages or partake in automated discussions with other users. Furthermore, there's no hassle of switching pages, chatting, or constantly transferring information via copy-paste. It even includes several other notable features. The Web Page Digest feature lets you feed a URL into WebPilot, and it delivers a brief summary of the page's content. Additionally, it poses 3 stimulating questions or insights, making it an ideal tool for writers and content curators. The Intelligent Inquiry and Response feature will let you pose queries about the web page you're currently on, and the Web Navigator feature will furnish answers based on the content of the page. The tonal customization feature lets you set your preferred tone, like Steve Jobs, and this style is then mimicked in its responses. Number 3. Wolfram. While it might appear a bit intricate to some users, this AI plugin stands out due to its superior capabilities. Fueled by high-level data, Wolfram equips ChatGPT users with advanced computation, mathematics, and real-time data to resolve all kinds of queries. Instead of limiting yourself to rudimentary mathematical problems, you can leverage the Wolfram extension for advanced assistance, like devising a genealogical tree, generating an audio spectrogram, illustrating anatomy, and much more. Wolfram can even provide real-time data, which ChatGPT can't do. So definitely give Wolfram a shot. Number 2. Craftful. Think of Craftful as your personal coach in the realm of product development. This ingenious plugin equips users with cutting-edge best practices and insights from the top experts in the field. The Craftful plugin is engineered to refine your product development acumen by granting access to tried and tested strategies. Number 1. Prompt Perfect. Prompt Perfect expertly prompt engineers your inputs to get the most from every question and command you give to your chatbot. If you find prompt engineering challenging or time-consuming, this extension will dramatically improve your prompting results. Anyways, that's it for the top 13 AI plugins. As for a combo of the 3 plugins that go best together, we recommend using Wolfram for reasoning, plus WebPilot for navigation. Then combine them with a third app of your choice that pertains to your objective. If you think any other plugins should be on this list or the next, make sure to comment below or email us so we can check it out.